Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making Takis pie. For this recipe, we need a big cast iron pan, ground beef, 1 onion, taco seasoning, ground cumin seasoning, a pot, 1 can of refried beans, shredded lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream, shredded Mexican cheese, and most importantly, Takis. Cut and peel a piece of the onion. Cut slices in the middle of the onion and then dice it. Coat your pan with grapeseed oil and turn it up to medium-high heat. Takis pie is related to frito pie, but I use Takis because Takis are my favorite chips. Takis pie is also made like frito pie. Put your diced onions in the pan and stir it for a while. You may notice that onions can make you cry. Once your onions have been cooked, now it's time to put in the ground beef. Stir and chop the beef until it's cooked. Put 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning in the pan. Takis are also good for afternoon snacks. Put 1 tablespoon of ground cumin in the pan. Mix both seasonings with the beef until it's cooked more. Put half a cup of water to let this simmer. Reduce your fire to medium. Use a can opener to open the beans. Put your beans in the pot and stir it for a little bit. Put in a little bit of ground cumin seasoning. Then stir it a little more until it's warm. Slice your tomatoes. Use a handful of Takis in a plate. Next, you'll use your chopped tomatoes. Use 1 scoop of sour cream. Now use a handful of shredded lettuce. Use a handful of shredded cheese. Scoop out all of the beans and put it on the plate. Now to create your Takis pie, first you'll use ground beef at the bottom, then refried beans, then shredded cheese, then Takis, then shredded lettuce, then tomatoes, then sour cream, then shredded cheese again. And this is what your Takis pie should look like. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Peace.